Now, around this burning issue of the time where there is still no particular vaccine produced for the COVID-19, a lot of countries and people are moving towards alternative medications, either advised by the medical departments or the government itself. Now, one such that has been on absolute trend for more than 3 weeks is the plasma therapy. In India, after Kerala submitted a protocol for plasma therapy to the Indian Council of Medical Research, right when the FDA affirmed the utilization of this therapy on April 3, a lot of states like Delhi, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu seek out permission from the center in order to try out this therapy over experimental basis to coronavirus patients. Now, hospitals in India are seeking out permission to try out this therapy after observing some successful results produced outside the country, where ill patients who were treated and monitored for at least 48 hours of period showed significant result in their health. I would also like to take you back to early February, where the China National Biotech Group in a statement mentioned about this treatment and stated that they have successfully prepared a special immune plasma for ill coronavirus patients. Now let us talk about the basic conceptualization of plasma. Plasma is a fluid which is responsible for carrying out the blood throughout the body. Now, when a person gets infected, it produces a specific antibody through hormonal immunity. But the plasma of a recovered patient already contains the specific neutralizing antibody to remove pathogens, the bacterium as we call it. Now, when the plasma of a recovered person is transfused to a patient, it stops the virus from reaching the cell surface, possibly further stopping the disease progression. In other words, we can say that it is the enemy of coronavirus. Now, plasma therapy is no new invention and can be traced back in the century. This therapy has been used to treat patients suffering with SARS, swine flu, bird flu, and even Ebola. And they have shown specific, significant results in their health as compared to people who were treated with antiviral medicines. Now, currently, as there are no specific vaccinations for coronavirus, plasma therapy by all means seems to be the only alternative to be experimented with. Studies are very limited in this area, but they say that the plasma of a recovered patient which is being used, that patient should fall under the age bracket of 18 to 55 and to have recovered for 14 days. But if the person is in good health, the age can vary and can be expanded up to 60 years. Now, there have been a lot of patients who have been treated in China and South Korea with this therapy. And now this therapy has got a certain kind of approval in the US and the UK. Currently, as there are a lot of Indian states who are seeking permission from the Drug Controller General of India for the same. According to the reports, the medical experts from the Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, in collaboration with Rajiv Gandhi Center for Biotechnology, has already developed a separate ELISA kit for the same. Plasma treatment by all means right now seems the only possible alternative of COVID-19. But it goes without a doubt that more specific studies are required in order to understand the efficacy of this treatment.